Welcome to Fair Oak Farm, located in the heart of Southern Pines horse country. This amazing hunt box was built in 1999. It is a charming gated equestrian hunt box on 15 beautiful acres with extensive manicured landscaping, paddocks, and equestrian amenities. Turning from Young's Road onto Tremont Street, one travels to another time when horses had the right-of-way and one can explore the countryside on horseback for hours through the extensive trail system. The newly renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath owner's trainer's apartment is above the fabulous 13-stall barn and overlooks the stunning views of the paddocks, pond, and countryside. Fair Oak Farm is the ideal setting for a private equestrian retreat and is an incredible opportunity as an income-producing training and boarding facility with an on-site trainer. The 13-stall barn is equipped with fly spray system, newly refurbished indoor wash stall, 2 outdoor wash areas, tack room with laundry, and there are several oversized stalls for foaling that can also be divided. All stalls have stall saver matting and automatic waterers. There are 10 turnout paddocks with 7 run-in sheds and a tractor shed for your farm equipment. The new covered arena is 80 feet by 140 feet with lighting, kickwall, and footing base of sand and Footing Solutions sand stabilizer. A short hack beyond the stream and pond is a large field with outdoor lighting that includes an outdoor 20-meter by 60-meter dressage level arena and jump field. Fair Oak Farm offers it all. Tranquility that's a stone's throw from Southern Pines amenities. Enjoy the many horse shows, restaurants, and lifestyle that only a few communities in the entire United States can offer. Fair Oak Farm is an extraordinary opportunity to live your dream in the heart of Southern Pines horse country. Contact me for more details. I would love to set up a private tour.